this video, I will show you step by step how you can create new campaign on Google Ads just in few minutes. So this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. So let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to your Google Ads homepage like this. So just open your Google Ads account like this. And I'm already using Google Ads to run campaign on Google, on YouTube, and so much more. And I'm gonna share with you guys step by step how we can create new campaign. Okay. So what you will do, you should see over here, create new campaign. Just click on new campaign and it's gonna take you to this page. What's your campaign objective? Okay, what you will do, scroll down and just choose this option, create a campaign without goals guidance. Okay, that's gonna take you to this select a campaign tab. If you want to run this campaign on Google, search on Google, for example, to get clicks from Google, select this one also for Google, and this one display for Google, this one shopping, it's also to run ads on Google, this one for video to run ads on YouTube. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, video, and select a campaign tab, sub tab, select this one, video views, scroll down, click on continue. Okay, and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so you just need to give your campaign a name. I'm gonna name it, for example, YouTube, like this. Scroll down, you have here a budget and date, so put your budget here. So for example, my budget is, for example, $10. So this is $10 in my currency. Okay, so this is $10. Scroll down, you have here start date, choose start date. Okay, where date that you want your campaign to start getting a result. So for me, I'm gonna leave it like this, from today. And you need to choose end date. Click over here on select date, and I'm gonna run this campaign for 7 days. Okay, so for so I'm gonna run this campaign for 7 days, as you can see, and it will cost $10, and this is my daily budget. Okay, so after your budget will be consumed, your campaign will be stopped. Okay, it will be run just for 7 days. Okay, scroll down and you have here location. So if you want to run this campaign in just specific countries, click over here on enter location. So for example, I'm gonna choose USA, United States, and click over here on target. Okay, and this campaign will run just in United States. You will get customers and clients just from United States. Okay, if you want to exclude some countries, so for example, I'm going to choose India as an example. So for example, if you don't want to get customers or clients from India, click over here on exclude, and your campaign will not be showing to those people from this country. Okay, so after you finish, you can choose also multiple, you can add multiple, you can target multiple countries. Okay, so you have this option. Okay, and if you want to run this campaign in all countries, choose this one, all countries. Scroll down again after you finish. Language, just leave it like this, all language. Okay, scroll down, if you have this option selected, okay, make it like this. Okay, then scroll down, so you have here create your ad group. So you need to give it a name to this ad group. I'm gonna name it YouTube, the same name, and scroll down, you have here demographics, audience segments. So just leave it like this. Scroll down, you have here keywords. Okay, and you have topics, placements, and here you need to put your video link that you want to run on YouTube, your ads video. Okay, so what I will do, so for me, for example, I want to promote this video on YouTube. I will click just over here on share, and I will copy the link of this video. I will go back to Google Ads, I will put this video link here like this, and I will click select this option in feed video ad. So what I need to do, click again on add keyword, and you need to put keyword here. So for me this video is about, let me show you, this is the title of the video. It's about Luna Love Good. Okay, I will go to this website. You can go and search for this website on Google. It's rapid tags. Okay, and you can put your keywords here, and this website will give you a related keyword that you can use. Okay, so I will copy those keywords from here. I will go to Google Ads and I will put those keywords here like this, and I'm gonna delete this like this, and I will scroll down. Just put your keywords here that are related to your campaign. Okay, scroll down, you need to put here. Okay, let me show you. Just scroll down, you need to put here your title. Okay, I will go, so for me I'm gonna choose this title. Put your campaign title. Okay, your video ads title. Okay, over here like this, description one, I'm gonna write here new video description 2 out now. Okay, new video out now, and you will see your description here. Okay, and your video ad will be on YouTube like this, on YouTube homepage, on YouTube search. Okay, let me show you, on YouTube watch next, and YouTube homepage, and also on YouTube search. Your video will be always the first video that people will be seeing on YouTube. Okay, because it's paid, it's an ad. Okay, scroll down, put here ad name. I'm gonna name it, for example, this one, Luna. Scroll down, and here you need to put your bid. Okay, cost per view, how much you want to pay for each view on YouTube. I'm gonna make it just to the 0.303. okay, like this. And as you can see, this is your estimated performance. Okay, I will get between 30,000 views and up to 11k views. Okay, this is the impression, the number of how many times Google Ads will show your video ad on YouTube. Okay, this is your budget and this is your views, estimated views. That's really a lot. You can get a lot of results from those views. Okay, scroll down, and here you go. Just click over here on create a campaign, and okay, so a campaign with this name already exists. Okay, so I'm gonna give it YouTube one, and just scroll down, click over here on create a campaign, and congratulations, your campaign is ready. So you just created a campaign. It's super easy. Okay, and it will take, so guys, it will take, a campaign can take up to 3 days to start getting a result. Okay, some campaign can take just a few hours, they will start getting a result. And some campaign can take up to 3 days to start getting a result. Okay, so that's how we can create new campaign on Google Ads. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.